How to find Facebook hidden phone number. So if you want to find Facebook hidden phone number, then first of all you need to open up your Facebook application, and then you can choose any account that you would like to know the phone number of. I will choose this one, and if you simply go for about section, or you can go for post or anything, and here you will have the details. So here they have shown their phone number. So if you want someone's phone number, then you will have that phone number here if they have not hidden it. But if they have hidden their phone number, like if you go for a private account, I'll be choosing a private account. So here, for example, I have this account, right? So here this person has hidden their phone number. So what that means is if someone has hidden their phone number, then you won't have an option to view the hidden phone number. So Instagram, so Facebook doesn't allow us to view the hidden phone number because it might be a privacy concern. So if they have hidden it, then you won't have an option to view that secretly. You can simply message that person, and after messaging us like personally, you have to message that person and then ask for their phone number. Instead of that, we don't have any other option. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.